there, guys. This is Jenny. And Jenny, first thing I noticed, she had a lot of buildup and that she only had highlights on the top of her head and that she was very dark underneath. Now, I do want to utilize some of that interior dimension underneath her hair to make those blonde highlights pop, but I do want to add some blonde to the ends. So here I'm going to start with the Malibu Sea Crystal Gel because she had a lot of buildup. You can see her hair is moving a lot more freely now. So I'm going to paint her with Sunlight's Balayage and Olaplex. Now, a big misconception that Jenny had was that I can't get all the way to the scalp with balayage, and I can. I can get as close to the scalp as I want or as far away from the scalp as I want because I can paint that lightener all the way up to the scalp or not. And so here I decide I really want to paint those ends very heavy, and I want to leave the interior dimension in the back there, but brightness around the sides. So I'm going to tease it just a little bit more to make sure that I am diffusing it and keeping lots of dimension in the back, but still brightening those ends up. Now, because it was her first time here, we didn't get as light as we wanted, but we will hit them again in the future. So here I'm covering up some of her highlights because it's just too much in those lines. We're getting rid of those lines. I hate the lines, guys. So here I'm creating the V on top of her head and coloring it in. When you see the pink brush, I am putting in a low light. And then I'm just going to hit those ends. Now I'm going to leave the ends out because that one was already lightened. And I don't want to cover it up because it's going to keep cooking. I want it to dry out, but I just want to open it up. So here I'm adding a little interior dimension and going ahead and painting her sides. Now she wants to see a lot of boldness and brightness around her face. That's why she was only getting partials. But when you paint the underneath too, you're going to get a lot of boldness around your face because your hair falls around your face. So just painting in that money piece, putting a little low light behind it, brightening up those ends. Now I'm going to leave that top open a little bit because of the Bali vapor, and Bali vapors will create hot spots on the top of the head. I did tone this in the end and gave her an Olaplex #2 treatment. And here's the end, guys. Jenny's hair looks absolutely amazing, and she was so happy to have so much more lightness around her face. Thanks so much, guys. Links in the bio. Have a great one. Bye.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.